Welcome back to The Pulse. The 7-member panel of the Supreme Court has upheld the review application by the Attorney General challenging an earlier ruling to disallow Justice Onyenuga from hearing the trial involving former COCOBOD CEO Dr. Stephen Opuni. In a ruling delivered by Justice Jones Doche on Tuesday, the court said the allegations of bias against Justice Onyenuga were unfounded and therefore the trial can proceed unabated. Reacting to the ruling, Attorney General Godfrey Dame said the ruling was in order and that the concerns from lawyers of Dr. Opuni were rather mischievous.
Well, I thought the early application asking Justice Doche to recuse himself was also one of the gymnastics, as we call it, deployed by Dr. Stephen Opuni. And clearly it confirms the point that he's been seeking to avoid a judgment day. And definitely judgment day will come. I thought that the application for Justice Doche to recuse himself was totally baseless without any warrant whatsoever, because the Constitution and various statutes of Ghana have placed constitutional duties upon me. By virtue of Article 153 of the Constitution, I'm a member of the Judicial Council, assist on the Judicial Council with various justices of the Supreme Court, justices of the Court for Appeal, and justices of the High Court. By virtue of the Legal Service Act, again, a member of the Superior Court of Judicature sits on the Ministry of Justice Legal Service Board. By virtue of the Law Reform Commission Act, a member of the Judiciary also serves on the Law Reform Commission. So there are numerous boards and numerous committees that by the Constitution and by statute, the Attorney General is required to sit on it. My visit to the office of Justice Doche during office hours and in my official capacity as the Attorney General and Minister for Justice, and in his Justice Doche's capacity also as acting Chief Justice at that time, was clearly to discuss matters affecting the Ghana School of Law, unless they did not want me to resolve the issues of the Ghana School of Law.
My colleague Pakwesi Shandov, who was in court for us, joins me with more. Pakwesi, how did the lawyers of Dr. Opuni respond to this ruling?
All right. So right from the start of the proceedings to date, they have consistently refused to engage the press and comment on the matter. And today, particularly, was no exception. So after the ruling was given, they refused to give any reaction in that regard.
So, so when next is the substantive matter in court?
Well, the substantive matter is due to continue some 2 weeks away from that is according to the presiding judge who sat on the case. So some 2 weeks away from now, the case will be in earnest.
Pakwesi Shandov is monitoring this for us. We'll be in court in 2 weeks when the matter will be dealt with. I will bring you outcomes from the court.